everyone, today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Samsung Evo Select micro SD card. We'll go over some of the main specs and then check out what comes in the package. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So again, this is the Samsung Evo Select micro SD card. It says it has a transfer speed of up to 160 megabytes per second, and it does come with the SD card adapter. This one happens to be the 256 gigabyte size, and it does come in various different sizes. It's designed for smartphones, cameras, action cams, and drones. And for the class rating on this, it is micro SDXC UHS-1 card, class 10, U3, A2, V30, and 4K Ultra HD. A couple things I want to point out on the back here. It says it has a 10-year warranty and a lot of protection here: waterproof, wear-out proof, x-ray proof, temperature proof, magnet proof, and drop proof. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So here it is, the Samsung Evo Select 256 gigabyte micro SD card. It's the aqua color on the one side and black with the connectors on the back. Now it did also come with this little adapter here that converts it to an SD card. So that just slides in on the side just like that. And now you can use it in a standard SD card slot, which is really handy if that's what you're looking for. So again, this is the Samsung Evo Select 256 gigabyte micro SD card.